Trying to live life safe is the most unsafe thing that you can do. If I have learned anything in my life, I've learned do what makes you happy and do it today. Please trust me. Sustainable living is all about taking risks in your life while navigating through this everything possible is going wrong crazy world. You living happy in a self-sufficient, simple country life. What are the ways that you can be happy while taking risks? How do you believe in yourself and take a leap of faith?
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
Sustainable living doesn't mean living life safe. Sustainable living is taking risks in life. Short-term risks leads to long-term happiness. You've heard before Steve Jobs' opinion. If today were the last day of your life, would you want to do what you are about to do today? And I'm pretty sure Steve literally means what he's saying. And Ray Bradbury said, jump off the cliff and build your wings on the way down. I'm pretty sure Ray doesn't literally mean for you to be jumping off of a cliff. The thing is, you're working at a regular job. The job seems safe, right? Secure. And anything that takes you away from the job looks like it's a big risk. You got bills and responsibilities. How can you quit your job and begin a sustainable living life in the country? You're waiting, thinking of somewhere down the road, in the future, you're going to be better prepared to actually live the life that you want to live. Guess what? Waiting isn't going to change a thing. Deferring your life until later is like saving sex for old age. When we told family and friends that we were going to take a big risk and move onto a sailboat, everyone thought that we had lost our minds, that we were crazy. We packed up what we could into a small trailer. We sold off and gave away everything else. We lived aboard our 36-foot sailboat full-time for 9 years. 9 years. Embrace what you love and jump into a new chapter in your life. You can live your sustainable, self-sufficient life on the beach in a Hawaiian shirt or in the woods in a flannel shirt. Take a chance. Take a risk. Take a leap of faith, because safe ends up really being unsafe. And if or when your interests change, it's okay to end one chapter in your life and begin a new chapter. Sustainable living is looking for a happy ending. So, did you have a lousy childhood? Maybe you survived a bad divorce. Maybe you've experienced a death of a child or a loved one. Life's fragile, and every day is precious. So get on with living. If you aren't happy, take a risk. Take a leap of faith and believe in yourself. You are never too young or too old to begin a new chapter in your life. A happy chapter. Monday morning, are you excited to get out of bed and get your day started? Right. It's interesting how our brain works. As Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or think you can't, you're right. If you focus on why you can't do something, your brain's going to give you a bunch of reasons why you can't do it. But guess what? It works the other way too. If you give yourself a reason, just one good reason to do something new, your brain's going to give you a bunch of reasons why you can do it. Believe in yourself. Do something that you don't normally do. Take a chance. Take a risk. Take a leap of faith and see what happens. You just might find yourself doing what makes you happy. Hey, what's the worst thing that might happen? Seriously, what's the worst thing that might happen? Take a good, hard look at what you're doing now. You can live your sustainable life pretty much anywhere, and you can start a new chapter in your life whenever you want to. And today is a good day to be starting that new chapter. The world is full of people who live life safe. People refusing to change, refusing to take a risk, which that's going to end up leaving you open to a bigger risk. Even when you're on the right path, you're going to get run over just sitting there. You want to do more in your life. It's time to jump off that cliff. Believe in yourself. Do you want a happy ending? Living life safe is the most unsafe thing that you can do. So take a chance. Take a risk. Take a leap of faith and see what happens. And as you start your sustainable life journey from life in the city to a simple life out in the country, living your self-sufficient, simple country life. Don't let family and friends tell you to play it safe and let them talk you out of taking a risk. Live happy, live fun-loving, and live carefree. Freedom!